Hey guys, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another pizza review. Today I went to Rogala's. They're in Garden City, Michigan on Ford Road. Again, never had this place. Seen some good reviews online. You know, figured why not give them a shot. And yeah, I don't know much about the place, so figured, you know what, first time for everything. Here's the pizza. Again, you know, I only eat cheese pizza, so gotta keep it with that, whatever. Go ahead and give this bad boy a taste. Very hard to pull apart there. Definitely like has a homemade taste to it. I think it's probably mostly in the sauce. I wouldn't say it's bad. It's just definitely like a homemade taste, which, you know, might not be a bad thing when you go to one of these little local places. Crust is pretty good. If I had to go ahead and rate them, I would say maybe like a 6.4, 6.5, something like that. Pretty good. I would eat them again, but I'm trying to continue going on with trying random places that I've never had before for you guys at home. Make sure you like and subscribe. Again, if you have any suggestions, make sure to leave them in the comments down below. And thanks for watching. Again, this was Rogala's Pizza. They are in Garden City, Michigan on Ford Road.